Okay, let's step inside the cockpit area of this 250 CR 2004. Okay, my name is Steve. It's March the 6th, 2024. It does have all the service records right here. It's been professionally serviced. There's your capacity rating. Depth finder, it does have a hummingbird, depth sonar, possibly a GPS. I'll have to check that. But look at the sizing glass, how nice and clear this is. It's in really, really good condition. Vinyl, everything's in top-notch shape. There's no rips, no tears. Nice custom table. Oh, Lake Louisville. Cockpit carpeting and all. All right, next video I'll get inside the cabin area.